Guys, no, today for science, we are going to be creating a zip line, and we're going to be getting an egg to transport down that zip line. Okay. My expectations, you guys will be working in groups, but I do want you guys to be mindful of your voice because I know you guys will get excited. So keep your voice down, maybe like a 2. So the way I'm talking right now will be too loud for you guys, and after you guys get this loud. Right. Okay. Also, I'm gonna need you guys to work together. So you guys are gonna be collaborating together. So our central question for today, what we are focusing on, how can we use our understanding of shape and design principles to create a model that will efficiently and safely transport an object? So basically, how can we use what we know about shapes and about objects to get our egg to come down our zip line, okay? You guys will be able to determine which objects have the best shape for designing a zip line that can safely transport an object down the zip line. So we're going to go through the introduction, so vocabulary, the materials, and then you guys are going to sketch, build, and test. So actually, before I go there, let's discuss shapes really fast. Shapes are important in an object. So for example, if you had a car, what is a shape on that car that helps that car do its job? Lily?
A circle.
A circle. What does that circle help the car do?
It helps the car move.
It helps the car move. Okay, so that's what I mean when I say we need to know, kind of have an understanding of our shapes. Very good, Lily. Anybody know what a zip line is? Destiny?
Kind of like you can hook yourself to it and you can take you places.
Absolutely. What you got, Paisley?
When there's one train and you go down it, but you have to have safety stuff on.
You do have to have safety stuff on? Yes, Piper.
A zip line is just like a line that goes that just goes down. That's really fast. That's why they call it zip lining, because some people do this on cruises too.
Right, so it's usually something that has to be an incline so that they can go and transport or travel down it. They'll have something to keep them safe. They'll usually have a harness. I'll show you guys a quick little video. Okay.
Why does it sound like it's a man screaming?
Oh no, I think what you heard was the
I know. It's like where
It's where it rubs
the
on
pulley
it.
system. It's a pulley system.
the pole rubs against the.
Uh-huh.
Why do we have a car on top of that?
Oh, let me show you. That wasn't a car. Are you talking? Oh, he probably did have a car. But this part right here, this is what they use. This is probably key and important for that zip line. This
Oh
is
yeah.
you
It
guys
has
know.
these 2 gauges, and then when it goes, it keeps it really tight.
Right. And then I just want to go over a few things. We know what a shape is. Gravity. We know what gravity is, right?
Yes.
The force that pulls us back down to earth. That's why when you jump, you come right back down. What about friction? Elijah, we talked about it.
It makes something slow down.
Okay. Piper.
Or is it a different kind of is like on the table, your arm would just go off of the a lot of times, but on the carpet it would just not make it there until you get it high enough. But on yours you almost had it completely flat.
Right. So this one, like it says, two forces that occur. They rub together, so they usually it's what slows things down. Okay. And then anything else?
No, for bumpy.
Engineering. Today you guys will be acting as engineers. A person who designs and creates things to solve problems. So that's what y'all putting on today. Your engineering hat. Yes.
I want to have a real engineer yet.
All right. So for you guys, zip line and the egg that you'll have. First of all, look at this list of materials. It is a lot of materials. Do you think that you need all of these materials?
No.
Yes and no. You don't. You do not. Just because we gave you a variety of options, that doesn't mean you have to use everything. But what you will have to do is, in your groups, decide what materials you guys are going to use.
We don't want the egg to survive. We want it to thrive.
No.
But the one thing that you will need out of all of this is the plastic.
Absolutely. Lily.
My dad works as a missile engineer.
Oh, this is really nice job. One thing that I want to say is really important. doing great. I need you to focus. In your groups, you guys do not waste your time arguing over materials, over what you're gonna do, because you have a certain amount of time. So you guys, that's what I said, it's important to work together. Okay, you have a certain amount of time to decide what you're gonna do, to sketch it, to build it, and to test it. So we gotta work together. You guys have options of plastic egg, yarn, string, binder clips, pipe cleaners, scissors, tape, cardboard, marbles, paper clips, toothpicks, cotton balls, construction paper, and popsicle sticks. What engineers do before they go in? Do you think they just go out there and say, all right, we're about to go build a bridge?
No.
No, okay, they're gonna come up with some ideas, they're going to have a design, they are going to sketch it out, okay? So what I am going to do, I am going to read off who's in your group, and then you guys will figure out what materials you're gonna use, and then you're going to sketch a design. Yes, you have 10 minutes.
To sketch a design.
That's what the Bowders, whatever it's called, they sketch it out and then they try to make it as fast as they can.
I thought you only had 10 minutes to build.
No, okay. Hold on, friends. No more yelling out. No, this is just a sketch. So after you sketch your design, you can come up there, you can get your materials. Then we'll time you guys. You can start building, but you have time to build as well. Okay, so listen for who will be in your group. Elijah, Lily, Jaren, Hans, Amaya, Destiny.
Finally.
Micah, Kaylin, Aubrey.
We have like these. Everybody's over there, guys. Dude, how did they already sketch it out?
They did it. They're looking at the supplies to see what they'd like to use.
Hey, Elijah, how about you go look at the supplies?
No, we have to watch the
That's a little paper that I and then another paper. Are you watching the video? We're gonna need to cut the tree. No, just put it on. Guys, we need to put. Can someone go grab some more tape? Audra. And I have a design for the my scissors. I already got it. Okay. I got tape over here.
Okay, what are we going to do with the plates?
This? That's the floor for our basket.
Got it.
Miss Dana, why is this tape not sticking?
I agree.
We can try different tape.
That should be fine. How do you use? Are you using
You guys cut it so your egg could fit? Did you guys cut it so the egg could fit or it fits?
Oh, I got an idea. Come on out.
Only one egg per group. Looks like you guys already have one. Thank you.
God dang it, I wanted to test it.
What do we have over here?
We're trying to make it. We're trying to drop some marbles and help it go.
So, because you guys don't have to build a zip line. You guys,
Yeah, we're testing.
oh, that's your test. Okay. We're gonna do our first round of testing it out. Okay. What that means is if it's not successful, I need all voices off. Michael, up here. If it's not successful like you like, you'll have more time to go back and make some adjustments. Okay. When engineers are designing stuff and they're building things.
They make mini models and test
They do make models, okay? And if they do, it's not as successful, it doesn't mean that they failed. That means now they learned that that didn't work, and now they can try something different, okay? You guys, I need you to make sure that we are quiet. I'm gonna call you guys up as groups at a time so that we can test them out and see, and we'll go from there. We'll start with Elijah and Lily and Jerry. All right. The engineer?
Yeah, it's
Okay, the egg is in there.
anyone.
Oh,
It's still
okay.
going.
So, what do we think is the problem?
Oh, I think we should have used the other strings. Yeah, probably.
You think so? Let me see.
Maybe. Oh,
All right.
it's probably because they tied it. No, I think it was.
Cece? It kind of works. What I'd say is it has something. Remember we discussed friction? Did you see when this was all bent up? When it was right there, it didn't really slide. I moved it, so it's probably something to do with that.
Maybe we should
Pretty
try.
successful, but
Maybe we should try string.
you can make some adjustments.
Is there any other strings?
Hi, Destiny. You
Good job,
guys
guys.
ready? All right. So I'm gonna put it in here. You want? Are you looping it? No. Okay. So that's what I said. Do you want to try and loop it? All right, we'll try and loop it. Here, stand on that side. And I'll probably be watching other people's designs to kind of learn from them. Go ahead. Up here. All right. So you guys has already moved. I think you guys can go back and try and make some adjustments. We'll talk to your group. Who got there? Okay, go work on it. Piper and Noah. You guys can go ahead and make some adjustments to that.
You did something.
I can.
I pulled this side. This side. It's already going down.
All right. Let's start up there.
Yes!
Nice. Good job, you guys.
What happened? I made it. It made it down. Let me see. Do it again. Okay, 3, 2, 1. And
And safe. Nice and safe, right?
It's really agile and safe.
Are we throwing these away?
But if it was a real person, I want to keep the basket. But if it was a real person, I'm taking it. But if it was a real person, do you think?
So we finished testing our zip lines. Are there any friends or any groups who want to share why they feel like they weren't successful? When you first went, anybody, why weren't you successful? Maya.
Because ours was like we had ours like that, but it wouldn't go because it was the gravity was like pushing it down to go onto the floor, and it was trying to go down, and then it just wouldn't come. So that's why ours didn't work, and because ours was like really heavy.
Okay, what adjustments did you make?
We put wings on it, and then we did like a little hat, and then we did a little thing, and then we did like that, and then it came down real fast.
Okay. Michael.
We focused on the safety too much, and the safety made it too heavy, and we used pipe cleaners because we thought those were more sturdy, but they don't actually move.
Okay.
And our thing that we did to fix it was we used like one of the paper things, and then we clipped that on, and then since it was metal, it just made it slide more fast.
Okay. Paisley.
Our string was too long and it hit the ground.
Too long. Yep. And then you guys fixed it by shortening the string up? Yes, Lily.
Is it supposed to be?
You weren't lucky? Okay. When I looked at you guys, I think you guys were trying to tie the knot. And where the knot was, remember I talked about friction? That knot was right there on the string, and I think that's what was causing it not to be able to slide down.
I didn't really
My groups that were successful, why would you say that? Piper.
Our group was successful because we had something to hold the egg, which was a basket, and then our pipe cleaner didn't have like a knot in between, so that's why I didn't think string to connect the basket to wasn't a really good idea. So I put a pipe cleaner and it was like smooth. That's why it went down smoothly.
Perfect. One more. Evelyn.
We chose all the right stuff.
You chose the right material based off of understanding their properties. Yes. All right. Very good job, you guys.